Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that is truly a must-have for anyone who frequently attends events or manages teams. We're talking about the best bulk lanyards with ID holders, a reliable solution for any organization, school, or office looking to keep identification easily accessible and secure. Let's get right into it. This 50-pack of name tag lanyards is not only affordable but incredibly functional. Each lanyard comes in a classic black color, making it suitable for a wide range of events and professional settings. What really sets these lanyards apart is their stylish yet durable design, which ensures that your ID badges stay secure and visible at all times. Crafted from high-quality materials, these lanyards feel strong and sturdy, meaning they can withstand regular wear and tear without fraying or breaking. The accompanying clear plastic ID holders are designed to fit horizontally, providing ample space for any standard identification card. Whether for a conference, school event, or a corporate gathering, these lanyards elevate your professional image, while keeping essentials at your fingertips. Inserting your ID into the holder is a breeze. Simply slide your badge into the clear pocket, and you're ready to go. No more fumbling around in bags or pockets for identification. This product makes it easy to display your ID and keep it clear and protected from wear. Plus, the clear plastic ensures that your information is visible while keeping it safe from spills or stains. Another fantastic feature of these lanyards is their comfort. The lanyards are designed with a soft touch, so they won't irritate your neck even when worn for long periods. This design is perfect for busy environments where you might be on your feet all day. Imagine organizing a school event. With these lanyards, teachers, volunteers, and students can easily wear their badges, making identification effortless. And for corporate settings, they add a professional touch that can enhance your company's brand. Ordering in bulk means that you're also saving money in the long run. With 50 high-quality lanyards and ID holders, you won't have to worry about running out anytime soon. Whether you're hosting an event or simply need a solution for daily office identification, this pack is sure to meet your demands. In conclusion, if you're on the hunt for reliable, stylish, and functional lanyards with ID holders, this 50-pack checks all the boxes. Don't miss out on this essential addition to your event or office toolkit. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up. And leave a comment down below about your experience with lanyards or any products you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.